Join me as I take on the challenge of making discipline fun. Can I turn boring tasks into something enjoyable? Let's find out. Discipline often gets a bad rep for being boring or tedious. We imagine a drill sergeant yelling at us to get up at 5 a.m. every day or a strict schedule that leaves no room for spontaneity. But what if I told you that discipline doesn't have to feel like a chore? But this can't actually be a game changer, helping you achieve your goals and feel more fulfilled. Think about it. When was the last time you felt excited about doing your taxes or cleaning your room? Probably never. But we often put off these tasks until the last minute, feeling stressed and overwhelmed. This is because we've bought into the idea that discipline is a necessary evil, something we have to suffer through to get things done. But what if we could flip that script? The truth is, this mindset can lead to procrastination, guilt, and a cycle of stress. We feel like we're constantly playing catch up, and that can be really tough to shake off. It's like we're stuck in a rut and we don't know how to get out. But there's more to it. When we see discipline as a chore, we often set ourselves up for failure. We make grand plans, only to abandon them a few days in. That's when the guilt and frustration kick in. It's a vicious cycle, and it's one that we can break. So, what if we could make discipline enjoyable? What if we could turn it into a game or a fun challenge? One way to do this is through gamification. You can set up a reward system where you earn points or treats for completing tasks on time. Or you can try integrating enjoyable activities into your routine, like listening to your favorite podcast while doing chores. And if you enjoy thinking differently about habits, mindset, and success, make sure you stick around with Motivation Facts Hub. This is exactly the kind of practical, real-life motivation we dive into all the time. Another strategy is to focus on the process, not just the outcome. Instead of just thinking about the end result, try to find ways to make the journey enjoyable. For example, if you're trying to get in shape, find a workout buddy or try a new exercise routine that you enjoy. I've seen this play out in my own life. I used to dread waking up early, but then I started experimenting with different morning routines. I found that if I made it enjoyable, like sipping coffee on the balcony or doing a quick yoga routine, I was more likely to stick to it. And as I started to see the benefits of my new routine, I felt more motivated to keep going. The benefits of making discipline fun are huge. Not only do you achieve your goals, but you also feel more fulfilled and confident. You're more likely to stick to your routine and make positive changes in your life. And, let's be honest, it just feels better to enjoy the process. So, there you have it. Making discipline fun is not just a pipe dream. It's a real possibility, and it's one that can have a huge impact on your life. By incorporating strategies like gamification, focusing on the process, and finding enjoyable activities, you can turn boring tasks into something enjoyable. Thanks for joining me on this journey into making discipline fun. I'd love to hear from you. How do you make discipline enjoyable in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Motivation Facts Hub, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on motivation, discipline, and productivity.